The recent building collapse in Babusapalya in Bengaluru. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar reaffirming the government's commitment to stop illegal constructions. He noted that while the previous administration had restricted official powers, they are now empowering the Bangalore Development Authority BDA and Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike BBMP to take decisive action. Shivkumar announced that all illegal construction activities, including registrations, would be halted and encroachments addressed. He emphasized that significant measures are being implemented, especially regarding road construction, to ensure safety and compliance with regulations. Additionally, he mentioned that instructions have been issued statewide to provide compensation to affected farmers.
We want to stop all the illegal construction. Earlier, the government had withdrawn some powers to the officers. Now we are giving full officers to the BDA, BBMP and BMRDA to stop all the illegal levels, illegal construction, including the registration will be stopped, and all encroachments also will be looked upon. We are taking a very big measures on arterial roads, construction of roads. Big damage has happened on the roads. We are taking.
What instructions have been given throughout the state, sir? DCs and other officials.
The instruction has been given to the entire state to see that this wherever damages are there, give them compensation to the farmers and all those people who have.
Sir, BJP is saying Congress government is appeasing through the work board. They are handing over lands to the farmers, land to the.
Of course, I don't want to discuss on this.